Cleaning your floor is a priority if you want a neat and appealing home. A robot vacuum cleaner can make that a breeze. We have listed some of the best robot vacuums you can find on the market below. Through extensive research, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's performance, price, or a particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So check those out to see which one is in your budget range. If you feel that our video is quite helpful for you, please don't hesitate to like, share our video, and subscribe to our channel. At number 1, the UVBoost IQ RoboVac 11S. This robot vacuum can work for 100 minutes when used on hardwood and longer on soft surfaces that don't require excessive scrubbing. It features tempered glass on its surface with the anti-scratch ability, and this prevents it from getting damaged easily. Not only this, but it also has an infrared sensor feature that helps to evade large particles that stand in its way. It offers stress-free usage as you don't have to worry about charging it every time. It recharges itself whenever the battery runs low. This makes it always ready to serve you and give you a clean environment. At number 2, the Ecovacs Dbot N79S Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum has a main brush at the center, which sweeps every particle it comes across, and 2 extra brushes at each side that offers adequate sweeping and brushing. It features the Google Assistant and Alexa voice technologies that let you control its settings by speaking to the device. Also, it features an app which you can download on your smart devices and perform several activities on it. You can set the device to a particular cleaning mode, schedule cleaning times, update status, and control the features seamlessly. You can increase the power in 2 folds to make it suction more hard particles. At number 3, the iRobot Roomba 690 Robot Vacuum. This robot vacuum comes with a dirt detector that enables it to detect old stains and dirt in high traffic areas. It makes use of 3 cleaning systems to remove stubborn particles and dust with multi-surface brushes that help to sweep every dirt no matter the size. Besides, there are sensors that help the device to locate hidden particles under furniture. Its battery can run for 90 minutes non-stop and will start recharging itself when the battery runs low. It will automatically resume working when it is fully charged, and it has the ability to work without much supervision.